This video explains the use of subaperture analysis and its application. Subaperture analysis is a simple yet powerful tool when a part is specified by the worst or best measure statistics over multiple subapertures. This is often used for windows, filters, and some scanning optical systems. First, let's make a measurement. Then, from Analysis Tools, select the Subaperture Analysis. Subaperture Analysis is a quick, interactive tool for calculating basic statistical data such as peak to valley and RMS for a subaperture of a known size. This tool is interactive. In the center of the screen is the phase map with the overlaid shape of a circle. You can drag to a new position and resize the circle using your mouse. This is the subaperture within which statistical values are calculated. You can see that the aperture has a callout reading the radius of the circle, and in the center of the circle, the center's position in the data coordinates is shown. Along the bottom of the screen, you can also see the radius and the X and Y location of the aperture in the data. The easiest way to start is to click on the center aperture, which will position the aperture in the center and scale the diameter to approximately 1/2 the diameter of the part. Then you can either resize and drag it using the mouse, or you can use the keyboard inputs to achieve the same results. Note that if you change the lateral units, these units will be used in this analysis. As you can see, all the units are now displayed in inches. As you move the aperture around the dataset, you can see on the top right, under Basic Statistics, the peak valley and RMS values calculated for the selected subaperture area. Further, you can change those units to any supported height units, and the RMS and peak to valley units will follow and change their units. Finally, when you open the Universal Toolbar, you can adjust some of the subaperture parameters using this icon.